steaming milk. Let's see if we can steam up the camera with the milk.
Here,
Oh,
hold this for goodness sakes. I gives Dad the sound, is he?
Oh yeah. Okay, here we go. Satisfying sound. That's not the camera. No. Oh yeah. Are you showing off? Going really fast? Showing off?
Nope. Let's just try to get her done.
This is your regular speed. You put your filter back in.
Filter?
I
Yeah, I
was-
like the sound.
I was getting the sound. I hear a rumor that the sound with no filter of the milk hitting the can is even better.
And it makes bubbles.
Here, get the crunches.
Puddles ate the GoPro.
You're not giving me very good crunches. Yeah.
You just gotta get used to it. That's all.
I better